Apple's latest MacBook Air M4 13-inch is already making waves as the top-selling laptop in its category, thanks to significant hardware upgrades and an eye-catching new color option. The highlight of this refreshed model is the powerful Apple M4 chip, paired with the fresh sky blue finish, which replaces the classic space gray to offer a lighter, more elegant aesthetic. Having spent some time with the base official version distributed in Vietnam, here's a detailed first look at what makes the MacBook Air M4 stand out. The unboxing experience remains true to Apple's signature minimalist style. The packaging design is clean, compact, and unchanged from previous generations, emphasizing simplicity and elegance. Inside, alongside the MacBook Air M4, you'll find a 30W Type-C charger and a braided MagSafe 3.0 cable, matching the sky blue color of the device itself, lending a coordinated and premium feel that sets it apart from its predecessors. For customers opting for the higher-end configuration with 512GB SSD and a 10-core GPU, Apple offers an upgraded 35W dual USB-C charger, marking a slight but welcome improvement from the MacBook Air M2 and M3 charging accessories. At first glance, the MacBook Air M4 retains the thin, lightweight aluminum unibody design and softly rounded edges that have defined the airline for years. However, the introduction of the sky blue color is the model's most distinctive feature. This new shade brings a gentle, airy vibe that complements Apple's minimalist design philosophy and makes the laptop more visually striking and recognizable. The chassis and materials remain consistent with the MacBook Air M3, making the M4 difficult to differentiate at a glance if it weren't for the color change. This subtle yet impactful visual update gives users a sense of freshness, without compromising the classic Air silhouette. Apple has kept the keyboard layout unchanged, including the inverted T-arrow key cluster and the Touch ID fingerprint sensor. These features provide convenient and secure ways to unlock the laptop, access files, and authorize payments with Apple Pay. The trackpad maintains the same size and smooth touch response as the previous generation, which is no surprise given Apple's well-regarded reputation for trackpad quality. Since it was already near perfect, there was little need for an upgrade here. Weighing in at just 1.24 kilograms with a thickness of 21.5 millimeters at its thinnest point, the MacBook Air M4 remains a highly portable ultrabook, matching the weight and size of its M3 and M2 predecessors. This consistency ensures users enjoy the same ease of carrying and handling, making it an ideal companion for students, professionals, and creatives who value mobility. The M4 model continues to feature a 4-speaker audio system, with sound quality comparable to that of the M2 and M3. Apple has retained all the prior strengths, delivering clear and lively audio for calls, media consumption, and casual music listening. On the connectivity front, the right side houses the 3.5mm headphone jack, while the left side includes 2 USB-C ports with Thunderbolt 4 support, plus a MagSafe 3 charging port. However, Apple still hasn't added an HDMI port as seen on the MacBook Pro models, meaning users needing external display connections or more ports will likely still require a hub or adapter for presentations and extended setups. The MacBook Air M4 keeps the 13.6-inch Liquid Retina IPS display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, including the familiar notch at the top. The screen offers sharp visuals and a generous workspace ideal for multitasking. The brightness reaches 500 nits, making it quite usable even under outdoor lighting conditions without glare issues. While the 60 Hz refresh rate is standard, some may find it limiting compared to the smoother 75 Hz or 90 Hz panels on higher-end laptops. Increasing refresh rates in future iterations could enhance fluidity during scrolling and animations, pushing the Air closer to the Pro experience. For everyday tasks like browsing news, reading, and streaming videos on platforms like YouTube, The display quality is more than satisfactory and consistent with prior generations. One of the most notable upgrades in the MacBook Air M4 is the camera system. The 12-megapixel camera is a significant step up from previous models and includes the innovative Desk View feature, which captures a top-down view of your workspace during video calls. This is incredibly useful for online classes, remote teamwork, and presentations where sharing your desk or notes visually enhances communication. Additionally, the center stage feature, first introduced in the MacBook Pro, now comes to the Air line. Powered by the robust M4 chip, it offers improved video call experiences, including better noise cancellation and microphone quality, ensuring clearer and more stable calls compared to older models. Under the hood, the Apple Silicon M4 processor lifts the MacBook Air's performance to new heights. The base model features 16 GB of RAM, offering a sweet spot between affordability and capability. The M4 integrates advanced AI capabilities directly on the chip, unlocking intelligent features such as background blurring during video calls, real-time speech-to-text transcription, instant language translation, rapid image recognition, and seamless integration with AI-powered applications. On Geekbench 6, the M4 achieves impressive scores: 3,668 in single-core and 14,826 in multi-core tests. This represents a 24% increase in single-core performance over the M3, and nearly matches the M3 Pro, enabling smooth handling of tasks ranging from everyday productivity to moderate content creation workflows like coding, 4K video editing, and light AI modeling. Compared to the M2 and original M1 chips, this is a considerable leap forward, nearly 70% better performance, making the MacBook Air M4 the most powerful thin and light laptop currently available. The 13-inch MacBook Air M4 comes equipped with a slightly larger 53.8 watt-hours battery, compared to the 52.6 watt-hours unit found in the M3. Combined with the efficiency gains from the new processor, Apple claims up to 18 hours of mixed-use battery life. This ensures users can get through a full workday or study session without constantly hunting for a power outlet. The MacBook Air M4 13-inch offers a compelling mix of innovation, style, and practicality. Its fresh sky blue color breathes new life into a classic design, while the Apple M4 chip delivers industry-leading performance and smart AI features. Although some elements, like the port selection and display refresh rate, remain conservative, they do not overshadow the overall upgrade in power and user experience. Whether you are a student, a professional, or a content creator looking for a thin, light, and powerful laptop, the MacBook Air M4 is hard to overlook. It strikes a perfect balance between portability, aesthetics, and raw capability, setting a new benchmark for ultrabooks in 2025.